Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, we're gonna be making a guitar afro kind of beat. So, without wasting time, get your headphones and let's go. Right now, at DW, the first thing is to get a nice guitar VST, and I'm gonna be using Contact because Contact guitars, kind of realistic. So let's go over here and just bring in Contact, and I'm going to be using the Ilia Ephemer's library, create our first pattern, and let's call this guitar. So with that, the next thing is just to create some nice guitar progression, but I'm just going to skip all those process. So I've gone ahead and got this nice guitar melody, MIDI pack, and it has nice guitar melodies. So I'm just going to pick from one of the melodies and hopefully we have something nice. So let's see what this sounds like. So we'll have a guitar melody. I'm just gonna drag in the tempo. Let's go with 90 bpm, or let's go with like 100, or yeah, 100. So we're working a tempo of 100 bpm, and let's just hear what this sounds like. Yeah, so we have a very nice guitar. It sounds dry, but just gonna add in some nice reverb. But yeah, when you're using guitars like from Contact, we have these low notes which are like the articulations. So we have this beat just giving it some muted. And yeah, so but basically this is what everything the whole guitar sounds like. Yeah, so I think we will bring this note down. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, so we have some nice guitar. What I'm just gonna do is just send it over to my mixer, and I'm just gonna use this guitar presets. It's good to save presets down, just makes everything fast. So I have this guitar preset set. I think I might just add guitar rig. So let's go over and add the guitar rig just to give the guitar some nice textures. Yeah, I think I like this preset. So you can see from just sounding really dry like this, we have this. I think I can put that as our guitar. The next thing I just want to add is like a vocal sample, and for the vocal sample, I'm just gonna go to Splice, and with the Splice bridge, it's just gonna be easy to get some nice samples. So let's put in my soft clipper. So I'm just gonna put in the Splice bridge. Yeah, I like this. Perfect. So let us get this. Then I can just drag this in. Nice. So we've created, we have a vocal sample, we have a very nice guitar. The next thing is to just start adding in the drums, SKY keys, and let's go to my, I think I like this preset. So let's call this Chords. I'm just gonna copy this chord right here. Let's put it down. Just gonna paste the same thing for my, so we have this. So with the rim, let's have nice. I think I'll go to Splice and just get some stuff I could use. Yeah, like this. So this will just go with the kick. Yeah, bring it down. So with the hi-hat, synchron, go with. So let's go with something like this for the hi-hats. I think I want to add some percussion groove to create movement. So let's see if you can. Yeah, I'll go with this percussion. I think it fits with the groove. So let's just bring it down. Yeah, so let's see let's see if we could add more percussion groove. Let's go to the one in sample pack out of transition. So just building random percussions around it. Yeah, so the next thing I can add in, I'm really love the group. The next thing I can just add in is like a bass. So for the bass, I'll be using Hive. Yeah, I'll go with this 808 boom. So let's call this 808. Nice. So just something simple. I'm just gonna start changing it with the kick. So you know it sits well and nothing is clashing. Nice. What else? I think I still need to add like more vocal on this. I think it's gonna be on 4 bars. Yeah. Yeah, so just adding percussions to just like beautify everything. You can see how how this is coming out really, really, really nice. So I think for me, we've gotten like a nice drum bounce, we've gotten a nice guitar, and nice. So just nice, simple. There's this stuff you can have, but you can see that just with the guitar just gives it this rhythm. Just turn up the guitar and just see how guitar just makes the whole vibe interesting. It's still really nice, but the guitar just spice it up with those nice melodies. So yep, man. So one thing, guys, that one pack is actually an amazing pack. It's like the pack I've been using recently. So definitely, if you've gotten the pack, I'm sure you must be testifying to that. It's a really amazing pack. And guys, I hope you got something from this. Just showing how you could create some nice, simple Afro beats, simple guitar Afro beat, and hopefully it sounds nice. To me, it sounds amazing and beautiful. So if you did get something from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. And you could join the Patreon where you get amazing FLPs, nice packs. A lot is going on in the Patreon, so you definitely want to be a part of that community. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm just gonna play this once more from the top, and see you guys in the next one.